Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use ERS in F1 24. So ERS is pretty much the overtake button that you can see at the bottom of the screen where you have your speedometer. On the left side you will read overtake. Now in case of the Xbox controller, you want to use left bumper in order to activate it, and then you will see that we are using it. You will see the percentage going down, and of course you can press this button one more time in order to deactivate the overtake, the ERS. On the PlayStation controller it is L1, and if you are playing with keyboard then you want to press M key. Now in addition to that, we can pause the game and go to the settings, and then over here we can open the assists where we have the ERS assist over here, and we can turn this option on in order to let the game deploy the ERS whenever the game decides that it is needed, so when you participate in the overtake. And that's pretty much it. Then if the ERS assist is enabled, then you don't have to press any button. The game, like I said, will decide, will read the situation for you and activate the ERS when needed. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.